Welcome to Best Sellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today. I'm excited because we have something special lined up for you. Today, we'll be doing a countdown of the best-selling knitting looms and boards products on Amazon. These products have been chosen for their popularity, customer reviews, and overall excellence. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and see which products have captured the hearts of knitters everywhere. Let's get started. At number 5 on our list of the best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon, we present the READAEER Round Knitting Looms Set Craft Kit tool with hook needle and pom-pom maker. This kit is a game-changer for both novice and seasoned knitters alike. Imagine a tool that's both lightweight and durable. Crafted from resilient ABS plastic, the READAEER knitting looms boast smooth edges and solid pegs, making them not only efficient but also kind to your skin. These looms are feather-light, ensuring that long knitting sessions remain comfortable and strain-free. But let's talk about versatility. This set includes 4 different sizes of knitting looms, ranging from 5 to 11 inches in diameter. Whether you're crafting a cozy scarf, a snug hat, warm socks, a stylish shawl, or even gloves, this kit has got you covered. It also comes equipped with a hook, a yarn needle, and 4 different sizes of pom-pom makers, giving you all the tools you need for your next knitting project. Ease of use is paramount. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a pro looking for quick and efficient results, the READAEER knitting looms make the process super easy and incredibly fast. You'll be whipping up creations in no time. What makes this knitting loom set truly special is its potential for personalization. Create wonderful, personalized gifts that are perfect keepsakes and giveaways. Imagine the joy of gifting a hand-knitted item made with love and care, something uniquely crafted by you. So, if you're looking to elevate your knitting game, the READAEER Round Knitting Loom set is your perfect choice. Embrace the creativity, enjoy the ease, and marvel at the results. Taking the number 4 spot in our top 5 knitting looms and boards on Amazon is the incredible SENTRO 48 needles knitting machine. This marvel of a device is perfect for beginner knitters, but it offers so much more. Imagine the delights of knitting with a machine that allows you to create flat or round stitches in seconds, simply by turning a hand crank. Just thread the weaving loom yarn into the spindles, give it a spin, and watch as your very own masterpieces come to life. It's not just knitting, it's developing your hand-eye coordination while crafting beautiful items. The SENTRO knitting machine is made of environmentally friendly, high-quality plastic. It's odorless, safe, reliable, and incredibly durable. It's not just a tool, it's a very fun and practical toy. You can truly weave whatever your heart desires with this fantastic machine. Ease of use is paramount with the SENTRO. Create flat or round needles effortlessly with manual crank operation. Just screw the yarn into the spindle and turn the crank. A quick tip: for the first round of yarn, always refer to the instructions to ensure smooth sailing. Now, let's talk about speed. Whether you're an experienced knitter or just starting out, this knitting kit machine can help you quickly and easily knit your own cool fashion accessories, hats, scarves, socks, you name it. Imagine gifting this 48 needle powerhouse to your parents or friends. They'll be amazed at how swiftly they can create their very own designs. Speaking of gifts, this circular knitting machine is a perfect choice for birthdays, Thanksgiving, New Year, and Christmas. It's more than a present. It's a tool that enhances the ability of parents to interact with their children and boosts the child's creativity. It's a beautiful handmade gift for your loved ones, perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. So, if you're seeking a knitting machine that combines fun, practicality, and efficiency, the SENTRO 48 Needles Knitting Machine is your ideal companion. Dive into the world of knitting with this incredible device and watch your creativity flourish. Securing the 3rd spot in our top 5 best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon is the vibrant and versatile Pepperell metal loom and hook set in Azalea pink. This set isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to creativity. Imagine creating a colorful pot holder with ease and joy. This metal loom and hook set is designed to be fun and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both young crafters and adults alike. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the premium metal hook promises smooth and effortless weaving. Measuring 7.5 by 7.5 by 1 inch, this package contains everything you need to dive into your next project. The loom is robust, ready to withstand countless crafting sessions, and the hook is of premium quality, designed to make your weaving experience as seamless as possible. Now, a word of caution. This set contains small parts, posing a choking hazard for young children. It's not suitable for those under 3 years old. However, it's highly recommended for ages 5 and up, making it a fantastic gift for children and adults who are ready to embark on their crafting journey. Imported and made with attention to detail, the Pepperell metal loom and hook set in Azalea pink is not just a tool, but a catalyst for creativity. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, This set invites you to explore, create, and enjoy the delightful world of weaving. So if you're looking to add a splash of color and a touch of joy to your crafting collection, the Pepperell metal loom and hook set is your perfect pick. Dive in, get creative, and watch your handmade pot holders come to life with this fantastic set. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon? Well, don't be a nitwit. Make sure to weave your way to the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stitch. At number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon, we have the authentic knitting board, Loom Knitting Ergonomic Hook and Tool, an exceptional tool for any knitting enthusiast. Let's dive into the details. This 2-pack set is designed to elevate your knitting experience with its large rubber handle. Comfort is key, and this handle ensures that even the longest knitting sessions remain pleasant and strain-free. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, making each stitch smooth and effortless. Crafted with a robust metal hook, this tool promises durability and precision. The metal hook glides effortlessly through yarn, ensuring every loop and stitch is perfect. Whether you're working on a complex project or a simple one, this tool is built to last, offering reliability and excellence with each use. Imagine the satisfaction of creating intricate patterns and designs with ease. The sturdy construction of the authentic knitting board tools means they can handle a variety of yarn types and thicknesses, giving you the versatility to explore and expand your knitting repertoire. In 2 languages, we find metal and hack and grote ruber and handgrip, underscoring the universal appeal and quality of these tools. They are not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, blending seamlessly into your collection of knitting essentials. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned knitters, these ergonomic hooks and tools are a must-have. They enhance the joy of knitting, making every project a delight to undertake. Whether you're crafting a cozy scarf, a warm hat, or an intricate shawl, these tools are designed to support your creative journey every step of the way. So, if you're looking to invest in a knitting tool that combines comfort, durability, and precision, look no further than the authentic knitting board, Loom Knitting Ergonomic Hook and Tool. Elevate your knitting experience and create beautiful pieces with ease and comfort. And now, taking the coveted number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon, we proudly present the FYGAIN SENTRO knitting machines. This 40-needle wonder isn't just a knitting machine, it's a revolution in creativity and fun. Imagine discovering a weaving delight that's more than just a toy. With 40 needles, this knitting machine is a versatile, practical tool that allows you to weave anything your heart desires, perfect for both kids and adults. It brings joy and creativity together in one brilliant package. As you turn the hand crank, you're not just knitting, you're developing hand-eye coordination and learning through play. Picture the satisfaction of crafting handmade gifts that are both thoughtful and unique. The FYGAIN SENTRO knitting machine makes it easy to create fantastic presents for birthdays, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and Christmas. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced knitter, this machine makes the process seamless and enjoyable. Ease of use is at the heart of this knitting machine. Create flat or round stitches in mere seconds with simple hand crank operation. Thread the yarn into the spindles, turn the crank, and watch as cool fashion accessories like hats, scarves, gloves, socks, leg warmers, and even clothes come to life. It's that easy and that fast. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this machine is built to last. It's odorless, safe, solid, and durable, promising a long service life. Engage in the joy of weaving with your children, creating cherished memories and beautiful gifts together. The FYGAIN SENTRO knitting machine is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to endless creative possibilities and shared experiences. So, if you're looking to elevate your knitting game and have fun while doing it, the FYGAIN SENTRO knitting machine is your ultimate choice. Embrace the joy of weaving, create stunning pieces, and enjoy the process every step of the way.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling knitting looms and boards on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.